So then you can also understand how they are asking the questions. Self-introduction. See, it's the most common for everyone, self-introduction. So compulsory, you know how to give self-introduction. So prepare, okay, and make it self-introduction is very good, right? Self-introduction. About your college. So they're asking about college. So knowing about your college, the basic things, at least the college, organization, okay, autonomous. Another one is how do you feel about your colleges? Okay, experience in your colleges. What are the events they're conducted? So then you are doing something on it, right? So uh, the project you did with your friends means your final year engineering project, that is team project, right? So this is about a team projects. About your project, how you what you done in your project. About your project, guys. So people will tell a lot of stories for the project part. So the first thing is when you they ask for about your project or asking about tell me about your project, your academic project, any word it is tell about your project title. So every project has a title, right? So tell about your project title. What is the purpose of that project? Means a brief about your project, small two-line information. Okay, what is this project or abstract of your project? What is the project? What is the purpose of that project? What technologies you used in the press project? It can be a hardware components you use it, or maybe it is software related project. Most of your people nowadays doing project on IoTs and AI. So if in case it is IoT and AI, so also knowing about what are the project, it is IoT project, AI based project. So what are you used, what technologies used, what programming you are using. Okay. So that is very important. So basic few questions, fundamental questions. You already attend your Viva for your project. Viva is there, no? Like that. So basic some questions. For example, you done a AA based project. So what AA modules you use it? So for example, camera you use for capturing images and analyzing with AI. So what camera you use it? How you connect it? How you capture the images? What is the process you done? So generally, if you are sitting with your friend or maybe if you're sitting in a common room, how you will explain about this one, what is your experience? Please revise those kind of stuff. Practice like that. So any question they can ask in it. So who are the teammates and what is your role in the project? What is the role in your project? If in project someone is not doing, how you will handle that person? How you play along with your team? Or are you team leader of your project? So these are the commonly asking questions in a one project. Yeah, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, sorry for disturbance. About cloud. So we didn't discuss about a cloud, but so what is the cloud? What do you know about a cloud? Some people in their resumes or maybe at a time of interview, they mention about they learn about AWS or GCP or Azure cloud. So or cloud computing. So definitely there is a question. Sometimes cloud is also a common knowledge nowadays, common technical knowledge nowadays. So generally they also can ask, what is the cloud? But we are not yet done the cloud part, right? So what is the cloud? Cloud is a um, cloud computing. So what is a cloud means? In a cloud computing, accessing of computing resources through internet, accessing computer resources through internet, like a servers, applications, storages, databases, networking. Okay, these are all computing services. Okay, networking, intelligence, analysis related services, accessing through internet. That is cloud computing based on the pay as you go model. The cloud computing, three models are there: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Three services: infrastructure services, platform as a services, software as services. Most of you learn in our academics. So please, once you go through it, I already actually in the starting only I shared one PDF, complete set of notes. In that one also, you can able to find it. In our messages also, I think I put it. Otherwise, I will make that one WhatsApp message and I will share it to you if in case if I miss in earlier. Okay. So what is networking? Networking topology. See, they went to the very small question. What is networking? Very basic question, right? What is the network connection of two or more devices? Interconnection of two or more devices. Network. Communication between interconnected devices is networking. So, so don't say only these 2 points, guys. Try to add one more line to communicate between the devices. We need a network. So, like an example, mail communication, data sharing communications, okay, instant messaging communications, web access communication. We need a networking, network or a networking. So, like that, just add those points. Okay. So it is a top in a networking. Starting only we discuss network topology. Same thing in networking. We discuss networking topology. Most of us will ignore this networking topologies types of networks. Network topologies means your physical topologies only. Bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, star topology, hybrid topologies, and any other point to point, point to multi-point. Okay, those things also you can tell. In case they specifically ask, what is star topology, what is mesh topology, give the one or two line answers also. Like what is star topology? The devices are connected to a centralized device. It can be hub or a switch device. So devices will communicating through this centralized device, which is either hub or a switch. That's star topology. Mesh topology. Every device is connected to all other devices. Okay. So at least give 1 point or 2 points about those topologies in case they ask for a specific topology. First, give the list of physical topologies. If they ask for an explanation, then give the explanation also. Okay. It is also help you to recollect. So that's what I'm trying now. Okay. See, there's another person interview. It's a self-introduction. BTech. So what is your PER BTech? What you have done? ECE, Triple E, ENTC. So give the abbreviation. What subjects you have learned? Generally, they ask what are you learned. If you are from non-technical background, then why you came to the IT. If you are from CSC or IT background, so why you came to the services profile. Knowing about your profile is also important. First day and second day only, we discussed about your profile things, right? So check your profile also. We'll get to that one again. Supervised, unsupervised learning. So this is again, you have to search for this answer. What is supervised, unsupervised learning? I think it is unsupervised. In my basic instance, basically what I thought it is unsupervised learning means there is no specific guide or specific syllabus pattern is there. No specific pattern. So for example, I am learning about AI. So without following any specific course or not from specific institutes or a specific guideline. Just I started from one point and exploring that one. That is unsupervised learning. Supervised learning means there is a course syllabus, there is a trainer who deliver the lecture, or a particular structure of the lessons. One by one, we will complete those learning and complete the task. So then that is a structured learning, like a supervised learning. Someone will guide you through this learning process. Okay. This is commonly question. But if it case it comes to AI kind of stuff, what is supervised and unsupervised, it can be different points. Depends upon previously your branch or your earlier learning related like AI or maybe IoT. So there's also possible. Some people said they done full stack Java developer. They've asked about a Java related question. What is meant by full stack? What is they said we know the core Java, advanced Java. Then ask for Java questions also possible like that. In BTech life, faculties, who is your favorite faculties, your friends, your college atmosphere. So all communication only. In technical also, communication also. What is a cloud? Name some cloud services. Cloud services. What is a cloud services? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a services. These are the service categories. Specifically some services. Some name clouds service. So that's why it is understand the question. Name some cloud services. Yeah, you can name like a virtual machine, EC2 instances, S3 bucket, okay, CDN, content delivery network management, okay, IAM, what is that one? SQS, SNS, okay, serverless services like Lambda services, app services, database services, okay, different type of services, okay. Networking, what is networking? So simple questions. So recent interviews, they're asking about more about a cloud. We'll try also what is this cloud and later. Networking, college life, favorite subject during academics in your BTech syllabus. What is your favorite subject? Okay. So either score wise or anything, you have a good idea about that subject. So tell about those subjects. One or two subjects are enough. Okay. More questions about a subject. So when they ask the question, what is your favorite subject? For example, you're from ECE, you said communication subject is my favorite. So they will ask about what is the communication, AM, FM, okay, amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, digital communication technologies, analog communications, communication theory related. Okay, signal processing related. It can be there. You tell you're from CSC IT background. You said your favorite subject is Java, or your favorite subject is system designing, or your favorite subject is CNDS. Okay, data structures. So they're related questions only they will ask. So which one you are telling? So make sure that is you are able to give at least some basic answers for that on the related subject. Okay, guys, in an interview, we can't predict these questions only come. It's all depends upon your interviewer. So whatever they ask the questions, but we have to open up ourselves to give any answer for that, to give, provide an answer. Okay. About project done in your college, already we told that one. Microsoft Office. Okay. Do you know about Microsoft Office? What is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook? Okay. These are the main components of your Microsoft Office. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and an Outlook. Okay, so just yeah, we have a Microsoft Office on our laptop. What we use a Word for this document preparation, Excel for a tabular format of data we are providing, PPT for presentations like that. Something you know basic. Again, networking. Okay, one subject that you are one subject that is your strength during the your academics. What is the subject, favorite subject, or maybe more strength subject who scores more in your academics? Okay. So like that. For me, it is STLD, switching theory and logical design. I scored 94. All remaining are never cross 60 marks also. I never get 70, 80 in my uh, BTech. Okay. I never get 70, 80. Only 94, one subject, remaining are 60, 50, 40. 40 is a pass marks. Okay. So you can tell your subject there. Okay. So cloud. So when you hear a question, why I'm telling the question also, you can also recollect the related information and form your answers also. Then you don't feel at the time of interview, it's a new question, some all of the sudden question. You have to recollect your memory and doing it, the struggle won't be there. So just for a kind of stuff. Cloud and college atmosphere about your faculty member. Who is your faculty members? Who is your favorite? How is delivering the subject? How you support in your academics place, right? Your HOD or some trainers are there. Common, they handle two, three subjects. Okay. For me, I didn't remember any. I remember my HOD name. Okay. Maybe one lecture. That's okay. So we are binding to some faculties. Why? Because of either we are more irritating them or they are irritating more to us. Okay. So and see same. Yeah, TCP and UDP. This is also we discussed, right? Difference between TCPA and UDP. Transmission Control Protocol, User Datagram Protocols, right? TCP is a certain protocols are TCP type, some are UDP type. Example, HTTP, FTP, SMTP. Okay, these are a TCP type protocol. DHCP, TFTP, DNS. These are UDP type protocols. TCP type protocols are acknowledgement based. UDP are no acknowledgement. TCP is reliable. UDP is non-reliable. TCP is connection oriented. UDP is connectionless protocol. Connection oriented and connectionless means so source check the destination is available or not. If it is available, so source will send the packet to destination. Destination receives and send an acknowledgement to the source. That happens in the TCP. That happens in the TCP. Okay. If destination source fail to get a acknowledgement from the destination, source thing destination is not received, we send it will resend the packet again. And UDP is it will send packet to destination whether destination is available or not. So usually broadcasting message is type means certain protocol do broadcasting. So then in the broadcasting type, you don't check destination available, we send to everyone. So here we don't check destination received or not. We send it, destination received that we don't know. Okay. So multiple device connection, multiple device installations, or remote configuration of multiple devices, we use UDP protocols. Okay. College atmosphere, cloud, and they're asking for a college ID. So when you are in an interview, so you should be with your college ID, your PAN card, your Aadhaar card. So keep it one side. So if they ask, they can able to check it. Okay, keep it one side. So better keep it side. Self-introduction. Self-introduction again. Are you okay with to relocate to Bangalore? Okay, Bangalore location. Okay, are you willing to relocate to Bangalore? So depends. Okay, so your current means what are the next interview you are attending? I am not don't know, but so it's upon current availabilities, right? So Noida, Bangalore, Chennai, which one is the location it is? So you have to tell yes only always. Okay, so because company want the flexible people, so they want people they don't worry about which location it is. So they're willing to come to that location, work. Any location we go, we have to stay in a hostels only, of course. Rotational shift, yes, only. Okay. Can you able to join immediately? Yes. Are you willing to join immediately? Yes, only. So because I will join after 1 month is because of these and reasons. My brother's marriage, sister marriage, something it is. Sometimes you have a reason which is genuine reason, that's okay. But before you are telling the reason in an interview, please confirm with Ravan sir. Okay. Do you have some concern for a joining related? Please talk to the Ravan sir about your concern first. What to tell if in case you are getting this question in an interview. Okay. He will guide them. Okay. So some people also worked in a previous, so they're asking about a previous experience, but this recruitment is for a freshers only. Okay, so not for a already experienced kind. But in case you are having an experience, you work for some period of time, then you can tell. So depends upon these are people who are attend an interview based on their resume, based on what they said in introduction. So they are asking certain questions. So not every question is relevant to everyone. Okay. Yeah, it's an important question. Why service desk? Guys, what is why service desk? Why you choose this profile? Okay, it's a service desk profile or service desk analyst profile. For a freshers, the name is trainee analyst. Trainee analyst. We already discussed this one, but again, I'm telling because preparation for interview now is very important, right? Service desk is the profile of service desk or a service desk analyst profile, a trainee analyst profile. Okay, so you can try two, three answers. Which answer is you feel good for you based on your attitude or thinking. So you can deliver that answer first thing. Okay, or you like these answers? You can try these answers also. Service desk is the best entry into the IT organizations. So where we can able to learn different issues. So we can able to work with the different technologies. Okay, different technologies we can able to work to become something like I want to become a cyber security engineer. So it is a best entry into IT. So where I can learn different technologies, including cyber security. I will learn and I will I pursue my career towards cyber security. I want to pursue my career through towards cyber security. This is the best into the IT organization. Another one is another answer like I like to resolve different types of issues. I like to support the people uh, based on their queries or issues. So I'm good in troubleshooting. I have a good troubleshooting knowledge. I'm like to resolve different types of issues. So I choose this profile. So then I can able to work on this thing. Or you can career aspect. So I want to become something. So I choose this one to getting inside by improving your technical knowledge towards the technologies. Okay, like that. Prepare two, three answers and try one answer which is more suitable based on your understand. Okay, how you handle the angry customers? How you handle the angry customers? Guys, customer means here, the client or a customer getting an angry. How you handle it? Why they are getting an angry? So they didn't receive any proper response from your IT support team. They're also an organization. They're also employee of an organizations, right? They are getting a services. So they are getting an angry. Okay. So why they are getting an angry? Because maybe service multiple failures, improper response from IT support team, right? And maybe their issue is not getting resolved even after waiting for a certain period of time. So how to handle it? First, you have to understand an issue. So then how to handle it? So try to listen to the customers, what they are saying, understand the situation, and provide a proper information to the customer. Try to resolve an issue as as quickly as possible, as well as if you are unable to resolve it, try to escalate the issue to the higher level so they can able to handle and resolve the permanent solutions. Provide a proper information. First, listen to the customer, provide proper information based on that issue, why it is delaying, provide some proper information, understand the situations. Okay. Be patient, be calm and be patient. Listen and try to resolve an issue. If not able to resolve it, then escalate the issue to the higher level. So that is a very important. Okay. What is your degree? So what is your qualification is? Are asking how Wi-Fi works, how Wi-Fi works. That is, you can try, okay, YouTube video, how Wi-Fi we are connecting. Okay. No need of lengthy answer. Just try, already I told this is, um, what we say. See, this is PowerSet animated videos. Already I shared some videos from it also, right? So you can search about a Wi-Fi, how it is works. Clear explanation. Now we do not have a time. So this is Wi-Fi standards, how they will getting. So Wi-Fi is connectivity based on the frequency connection, 2.4 or 5 gigahertz connection base. Your Wi-Fi router generate a Wi-Fi signal, so it's a radio signal. Our Wi-Fi adapter receive the signals. The should be matches with the same frequency, either 2.4, 2.4, 5 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz matches. So it is, we are getting a data sharing through this Wi-Fi router only. From one device to another device, we are communicating. We are connected to Wi-Fi router through Wi-Fi. Your data is transmitting. Even internet, you are connected. So from your laptop to your Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi router to internet, ISP, it will go. You don't require a more technicality required, but generally also you can able to tell. But before you tell, practice it how to give an answer. Okay. A user is calling you, there are in, there are in your situation, very frustrated, they are very frustrated. They'll tell you that, they have a last document which is not saved and your deadline is, okay, so why there is so many deadline is here, within an hour, deadline is coming, and in the car. Okay. So it is a kind of like it's a testing, guys. Sometimes some questions are testing how you handle it. Okay. So maybe there is a proper answer is there or not. So that the question is actually it is that a customer calling you, the user lost some documents and he got frustrated and the documents are not saved. But he has to submit in an hour. How can you help it? Okay. How can you help that person? How can you handle that call? It's a trust, right? So within a 1 hour, you have to find where it is happened. Okay. So, like generally, the requirements, so like how to handle it. So this is a handling call. So they're not asking how you resolve it. They're asking how you handle the call. So how you talk to the person. So first we should understand what is there are actually talking about it. What is actual situation? Should understand what is actual situation first. Second one is what exactly happened? What exactly happened or what happened before that one, what exactly they have done before issue is occurred, what they have done just before what they have done, where are they, so what they have done, what is the situation that time. Okay. What is the situation that time? We listen to the user. The first thing is listen to the user. understand the situation, and ask a proper questions. Okay, understand the situation, ask proper questions, and try to find the solutions based on is given information and providing a solution. That is important. If you do not find the solution, what to do? Anyone? I'm keep on talking. I didn't ask you any. Do you understand or not also? Okay. Uh, Guys, anyone? If you unable to resolve an issue, what you will do? You got a ticket, you are unable to resolve it. You try but fail. What you will do?
We should
Anyone?
escalate the.
Yes, very good. You should escalate to the higher level team. So you're working in L1 team, you escalate to L2 or L3 team. Very good. So that's important. Okay. With your query, how do you do your, your context? What is your customer? Good service, customer means. Okay. What is good service customers? This is completely out of box questions. I'm seeing these questions now only. Okay. So maybe you also getting same questions, possibilities there. It's a good thing. What is meant by good customer services means? So providing response immediately. What is a good customer? It's not about resolving. It's about a first how you handle the customer. So provide response. Okay, provide a response. Provide a information related to the issue. Providing information related issue. So when it is going to be resolved, or what is the maximum time limit to resolve the issues. For example, there is an issues occur. So the user raised the ticket. So then you are provided this. Yes, thank you for consulting. The issue will be going to be resolved in 24 hours. 24 working hours means 24 hours is different, 24 working hours is different. What's the difference? 24 hours means now it is 3:15. 24 hours means tomorrow by 3:15. 24 working days means 3 days. 8 hours by splitting. Okay. 24 hours means 3 into 8. So every day we work for 8 hours. So it will be finished within the 3 days. So mentioning proper communication, give proper communication, proper commitment, proper communication. Don't give any guarantees on anything. Okay. Understand the customer situation, provide a proper response to the customer, provide information to the customer, proper information to the customer. Okay. And try to resolve the issue as quickly as possible, as soon as possible, within a given ticket priority time limit. See, before due time, so you must resolve the issues. Okay, as quickly as well, as soon as possible, we have to resolve the issues. Okay, so that is a good services. And make sure that customer is fully satisfied with the services. Means make sure that issue is completely resolved, a requirement is fully fulfilled. Okay, so that is a good. Again, guys, some people again now also people confuse the customer, user. What is this? Clients only, guys. These are all name of the clients. Different organization, other organization getting a services, you are providing support to their customers. Like some same scenario, which I just before this question, this is a normal person. There is a normal person, there is a VIP user. There is another one critical user. Two users are two users issues are coming to via message or mail, whether it is uh, how do you will be, which one you will prioritize. Prioritizing the call, prioritizing the issues, right? So again, always we are prioritized, depends upon the issue, what issue is occurred. So that is priority wise, what issues occur. Second, based on this issue, how many users are affected, means impact on the users, impact on the business. So based on that, we will prioritize the issues. But in the users, there is no normal user or VIP user. Maybe sometimes, for example, I'm a trainer, so I'm delivering class now. There is a project manager about to deliver the project. Okay, I'm a trainer, I'm delivering class. There is a project manager about to deliver this project. So he's going to give project demo to his client and finalizing the delivery. Everything is done, right? A delivery manager, project manager, or delivery manager is about to deliver the project. He's in the client meeting. He's going to be in the client. Both systems are damaged. My laptop is suddenly shut down. His laptop is also suddenly shut down. Both tickets went to the user. Both tickets went to the that service desk. In the service desk, which one you will going to prioritize? Decide not number of one member only, right? Affected member is one person's only. Individual person, two individual persons. Same issue. Both side laptop is not working. One is a trainer, another one is project manager or a delivery manager. So both laptops get a complaint. If you are a service desk person, which one is you are going to handle first? Okay. In impact, I told number of users affected means impact on the users, impact on the business. What is an issue? Issue same, user is same. So what is the third one? Business. Which business is more important? Delivering project is very important, right? If you don't deliver the project by the time, so when you said in a 4 o'clock, I'm going to deliver the project, now it is project is up. So in a client meeting, you are going to call the client and show them this is the project you have done, finalized, and now you are going to deploy the project into the servers. That you have to do it, right? You have to prepare everything and make it, deploy, test it, show the test results, everything is ready. Then customer, your client or customer satisfied with your project completed, they release the bills. Okay, they release the amount, like project completion amount. Okay, for example, I'm a trainer, my laptop not working. If I don't take the class today, I will take tomorrow, no problem. Maybe I will take after 2 hours. I'll take a 2 hours break. Then I will make some few points and then leave. Otherwise, I will text messages. Maybe I will try to take it. If it is very urgent, I will use my mobile phone to do it. Some adjustment I can able to do. See, the comparison. If you are comparison, you have to consider 3 points, right? What is an issue? Impact on the users, impact on the business. Project manager unable to deliver the project on the time, client meeting missing. It's a big impact on the organization, business. If I am unable to take the class, not much effective. Okay. I'm asking you technical question. I have no idea of, you know, I have no idea of what I have to do. How do you walk me through the steps? Like that I am non-technical user and you are a technical person of the time. Yes, yes. This is the same question they ask in different ways. See, how do you support a non-technical user? How you explain the technical things to non-technical user? Instead of asking like that, they ask this kind of questions. See, simple questions and that. Now, what I'm saying is, guys, non-technical users also understand technical because he's using his computer or anything. But sometimes he may not understand all the terminologies. If I said protocol, you don't understand. You understand SSH. Okay. So use normal words for them. Use normal words. Regularly using words. I'm not saying It's a technical word or non-technical word. I'm saying regularly using words. For example, I said open the browser. Instead of telling open the browser, open Google Chrome. You don't know how it is Google Chrome look like. You can say check on your desktop. So press the Windows D. See, I'm pressing Windows button and D, or minimize all the things on the screen. You see something round symbol with a colors, red, yellow, green, blue color. See, like that. If too much non-technical means completely not able to understand, you can tell. Or you can say open the Google Chrome browser. Okay. Or you can say otherwise, like in click on the search. You can see in the bottom of the screen there is a search. Search is there now. Click on the search with your mouse. Okay. Click on the search and type Chrome. Chrome. So it is showing Google Chrome. Then open it. Okay. So I'm asking about a Wi-Fi connection. So in the bottom of the screen, right side, so you can see date and time. So next to the date and time, so there is a battery symbol, speaker symbol. This is the Wi-Fi symbol. So see, it is showing the Wi-Fi type of symbol or a globe symbol. If it is showing globe symbol means you are not connected. Click on the globe symbol and select the Wi-Fi symbol. Then there is a list of Wi-Fi names. What is your Wi-Fi name? Select the Wi-Fi name. Don't say SSID. Wi-Fi name is SSID. Instead of SSID, it's a Wi-Fi name. Click on a Wi-Fi name, click connect, and provide your Wi-Fi password. Then you will able to connect it. So same thing only, guys. Just practice this thing. When I usually take this TR rounds for college campus batches, some of my favorite questions are there. One is your grandparents has a mobile phone, has a WhatsApp in it. They have a WhatsApp in the mobile phone. They have internet connection to the mobile phone. 4G network is there. Okay, WhatsApp is also there installed in a WhatsApp is installed. Every contact is there, but they don't know how to make a video call through WhatsApp. How you will guide? They call you. They make a call to you and ask, I want to make a WhatsApp call to someone. So how to tell them? They're not technical people. So generally, okay. So you use the regular words. So you unlock your mobile phone. Your mobile phone is unlocked. Yes. Unlock means yeah, open mobile phone. Little bit try. There is a green button. So which is look like this message button. Click on it. WhatsApp under name. That there is a WhatsApp name. So open it. So you can see the contact names. Front up. So check it. Your name is there or not. Open the name. There is a camera symbol. Click on the camera symbol. So call will send. If they lift the call, both we can able to see each other. Both can able to talk to each other. Or maybe someone which is don't know how to connect it to their Wi-Fi from their mobile phone, from their laptop. Some of your relatives laptop is there. They're having a Wi-Fi router and they have a laptop. They call you and ask you to connect it to the laptop to Wi-Fi. How to do it? How you will guide them? So try these answers also, guys, because these answers, you know it, but you don't know how to structure the step by step, how to tell, at least right now. But if you try, you know this thing, let's try how to do it, make a step. Any technical answer, step by step, you can able to provide answer. Okay. That's the point I'm trying. Okay. So what I said is try these basic questions, how to give answers step by step, simple. Okay. How you will guide them. So that is a this service role involves, that is involves shift work, weekends, public holidays. How do you have what a working 24/7 rotational shift environment? Again, guys, this is a job. Okay. Any organization depends upon what is your profile, your work, your organizations. You have to work and based on the organization's work related policies. Okay. A simple, my personal, I'm sharing that is my sister working in an organization. She's very senior level. Now is as principal consultant. Okay. Her position is now principal consultant and data analysis related. Okay. She has to go start from home at 8 o'clock. So she will reach her office before office time. Okay. She should not be late. She went there. No work from home. Work from home is completely remote. In case of emergency, someone is feeling sick, she has to show this. What is that? Hospital certificate. That's okay. Doctor certificate has to be produced for taking work from home, not leave. Leave they can take. Okay. So that is what. So even in a senior position also. It's an IT guy, it's nothing different. Okay. And when the work is completed, okay, she will come back to the home and she again started working and meetings, everything completed by 11 to 12 o'clock in night. Okay. So that's I said. Depends, all are depends. Someone may work in morning to evening only. Some may work more than that one. Some has to work on overnight. Some has to work from the morning to afternoon. Okay. So depends upon different work environment. So people are pushing their ideology on the daytime working, no night shifts. 24 by 7 is wrong. But lot of people are working. People who told to you, which don't go to this different location, don't go to this rotational shift. But they are all doing it. At least their relatives are doing, their friends are doing, their kids are doing it. Okay. So how these relatives and friends are they know whether they do or don't know. So they are imposing their ideas onto us. This is again morning. I started a new batch for them also, for you also. Again, I'm telling guys. Okay. Your career is important for you. It is not anyone's career. This is your career. This is your life. This is your work. Try to do it. Okay. That is a very important. Now we'll come to this. Yes, people want a flexible people, right? Yes, I'm willing to work on the shifts, willing to work on the weekends. Weekends means your week off will be different from others. Like Saturday, Sunday is generally week off for everyone. 24 by 7 people, supporting people, week off can be different. For sometimes it is Saturday, Sunday. So for some people, Monday, Tuesday can be there. It depends upon your project, your client, and things. But most of the cases, Saturday, Sunday is week off. 5 days a work. But in a 24 by 7, there is completely availability is there. Means all 7 days, working days. But you will get 5 days of work. Sometimes your work day is your holiday or maybe your festival day. Yes. Which one you will do it? For example, last time, the Friday or Tuesday, Thursday is Mohram, I think so it is. Right? They, so there is no holiday in our 70s. And again, our manager asked us, right, you want to leave or anything you want to do? I said, nothing we don't to celebrate because I'm not staying with the complete whole family. If I'm with my parents and so definitely I will like to celebrate and I will take a leave or I will take some work from home kind of stuff. But nothing to do sitting in home ideal. Nothing is there. So I will come. Okay. So as a fresher, guys, it is as a fresher experience is about your decision to do in that situation. This is the only testing question. In that situation, how you handle that is the first thing. Okay. So based on your prioritizing, if you want to celebrate all festivals, okay, half of the year you are only in the celebrations only. Okay. Sometimes some festivals can be ignored. Some people only things. For example, for certain festival, I want to do it. Otherwise, I will feel something different. Some festival I will ignore it. Not me, very meaning for to me. Some are I definitely I will do it. Okay. Hmm. Okay, guys, up to here, it's already 2:30, not 2:30, it's a 3:30. Up to here, okay? Did you got any clarification on the question, answer, how to give an answer? Okay. So what I will do it, take a 10 minutes of break, guys. Then um, I will share this document to your WhatsApp also. So it contains lot of questions repeated. So check the questions also. Check these questions. Okay, today or tomorrow, whatever it is, or maybe in a free time. If you have any doubt in the specific question, some are mostly same repetition is there. If you have a question, doubt or in a um, um, any specific question, so what you will do? Just simply, some are repeated questions are there, as it is, because multiple sharings. Okay, multiple sharing. Sometimes candidate will share, sometimes Ravan sir will share, sometimes I will share it, right? If you have specific question, you don't get an answer, you have a doubt, you can just simply put that question in your WhatsApp group. So then I can provide that related information. Our next class means tomorrow, I can able to try to provide a answer for that one. Okay. So now take a small break. Back in a 10 minutes. Back at 3:45. But read entire document, guys. Some are personal messages also there. How to prepare, okay? How to give answer also given in this one. Okay, can we please respond something? Okay. No, no one is saying yes. No, nothing is. This mouse is also not working properly. So